Yo, welcome everybody to Power Plays Palace. Good morning, good morning, good morning. As you all know, it is Tuesday. And if you played the spy chart on yesterday, oh, look what you got. Spy went up. I told you we'd get in around that 683 range, but it broke long and it stayed long all day. So if you played spy calls yesterday, you did pretty good. So we hit the two levels on my chart. Not all three. We didn't get to 687, but I think overall we did okay. If you played it, then you did pretty good. And even since I made my chart this morning, SPY been on a tear. As you can see, look at her. It is steady going up. It broke right through my earlier pre-market high, so that's gonna be interesting. So it's already moving up even higher than that. So let's look at the chart for the day. Yesterday we had a high of 685, and so that was our high today yesterday. And so right now we're open in the range between 684 and 685 basically. We were sitting around yesterday's high until it had this last little breakout here. So we're actually a little bit higher than that. But we topped out yesterday at 685.54. We bottomed out at 682.11. And so we went up most of the day. Now the pre-market shows a small range just above 684.68 to 685.56, which means they're testing the same ceiling again. This is what we call a double top zone if it doesn't break and hold. But as we can see, as you'll see real quick when I show the chart, it's actually shot past that. My zone was going to be 684.50 to 685, so we're already in the call area as the bulls have already started early this morning to take over. Now, what we're going to look at is if SPY breaks and closes a 5-minute candle above 685.56, which is where I originally set our entry area. And so what we wanted to do, our target was 686.75, 688, and 689.50. So as you can see, like I said, this morning it's already moving in that direction. So, jump on board if you feel like it's the right trade for you and it's part of your plan and not my idea, because this is not financial advice. For the bears, it's already moving out of our zone, but if we get some rejection, we'll be looking for targets. Entry between 685.40 and 685.60, and that's if we test above the 685.50 highs, which we already done. So for you, if you're a bull and you like to play those puts and pullbacks, so what you'll be looking for is areas where you can see some resistance. And since we're in the all-time high area, anytime you're in that area, be careful, because anything can happen. You'll never know whether it's going to keep going or something drastic happen and it pulls the market back. That's because when you're all-time highs, there's nothing for it to grab hold to, because no pattern has formed yet. So you'll be very careful with that. But if it does start to retreat, we're going to look for targets below 684.80, 683.80, and 682.50. And so that's if we get some rejection up here. Now, it already broke through my white zone so far this morning. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually play it off each level. And if it breaks a level, I'm going to use that level for support. And then the next level as resistance. And that'll be a good place to play. You play a pullback there. But That's only if you understand how to do that or if you feel comfortable doing that. Not because I said it, because again, this is not financial advice. And then once you see your stock moving in your direction, scale out every step that you know how marked on your levels. Just go ahead and scale out, and that way you can gather your profits on the way up. So that's our spy trade plan for today, Tuesday 20, October 28th, man. Trade the levels, stay disciplined, don't chase, and let the market confirm your bias. Now, if this video actually helped you with anything, then feel free to like, share, subscribe. And as you can see, SPY is still on the heater. Where is that right now? And it's moving. It is on a heater. 687.17 already. So if you're watching the video, you already see we moving in the right direction. If you are a person that like to play calls, or you a bull, as they say. So you have a nice day, enjoy, and we'll see you tomorrow for another Power Plays.